Hello everyone, today I will show you how to download Hyprland to Fedora operating system and how to solve the black screen problem if you are using a virtual machine. Before moving on to the video, please do not forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel to support me. Let's move on to the video now. Now to solve the black screen problem, we first go to the virtual machine settings, then go to the display section, activate 3D graphics, click OK, and close the window. That's it. Now let's move on to the Hyprland installation. Before proceeding with the installation, we first need to download the necessary dependencies. I will give each command and script link below. We open the terminal and download the programs I gave below. Then let's go to the GitHub page by clicking on the link below. You can view the source codes here. From here, you can see the general view, but you can also customize it as you wish. You can also view the screenshots here. Now let's move on to the installation. It's actually very easy. All you have to do is copy the command here and paste it into the terminal. It asks us whether to continue here or not. Remember that you must update the system before installation. Here it asks us if we have an NVIDIA graphics card. If you have one, say yes. I don't have one, so I will say no. Installing GTK theme is important for dark and light regime. It is recommended that you say yes. If you use Bluetooth, say yes. If not, say no like me. Fedora File Manager is a very good file manager. You can download it if you want. I will try it, so I say yes. If you don't like GNOME's current login screen, you can try KDE's SDDM. I like GDDM more. If you are someone who frequently records videos or uses screen sharing, say yes to this section. ZEsh makes your terminal more beautiful and efficient. I like Fish, but this time I will use ZEsha. If you don't have an Asus ROG notebook, just say no and move on. Unfortunately, I don't have one either. Now we come to the important part. Here it asks whether to download the themes we see on GitHub or just Hyprland. If it were me, I would say yes, and I did. Now it's time to download the packages. I'll speed them up. Here he asks us if Fedora File Manager is a default product. Let's see if we can do it. Let's see what this Pokemon color. Let's enter our password. Here it asks if we want everything to remain default like in the script where we loaded it. I will say yes. Here, some information will be requested from us. Be careful, do not look at it. Do it the way you want. Here, if your computer is very weak and old, it is recommended to turn off animations. Let's take our backups here just in case. Here it asks whether we should download these anime girls or not. In other words, should we download the wallpapers? Of course, download. Let's enter our password. Now we need to restart to switch to Hyprland. Let's say yes. When logging into our account, there is a settings icon at the bottom right. We click on it, select Hyprland and enter our password and log in to the system. And that's it. Our system is open. To open the terminal, click Super plus Enter. And you can close it with Window with Super plus Q. You can open the Help window with Super plus H. You can open File Manager with Super plus T and select Wallpaper with Super plus W. And that's it. Thank you for watching. It doesn't matter if I helped you or not. Please don't forget to like the video, share it, and subscribe to my channel.